So I'm back in Wales, somewhere different, new location, somewhere I've never been before. I'm in mid Wales and a stunning place called Hafren Forest. It's about 15 square miles of forest and it's absolutely stunning, right on the edge of the Cambrian Mountains. But yeah, beautiful location. I'm currently on the track that heads me up to the source of the Severn. You've got two river sources within a few miles of each other, the source of the River Severn and the source of the River Wye. So I'm going to head up to the Severn and then head across the Pen Pumlumon Arwystli and survey the forest from there. And so I'm going to crack on. I'll speak to you in a bit. Source of the River Severn, longest river in the UK and longest river walk as well. I think it's about 210 miles, not that far from here. We've also got the source of the River Wye for the Wye Valley Walk, which is I think about 136 miles. So yeah, it's nice to finally get here. I've spent a lot of time on the River Severn, especially when I was growing up. It's where I learnt to fish with me mum and dad and me granddad. Mainly used to fish for chub, barbel, get the odd eel. And a couple of videos back I did a section, about 12-13 mile section, pack rafting from Bridgenorth to Bewdley. That was a good day. But yeah, never been to the source before, so this is it, source of the Severn. I'm at 741 metres, the source of the Severn was about 610, so gained about 130 metres, but trust me, it felt a lot more than that. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning here, amazing views all round. Just quickly spin around a bit, let you see some of that. But yeah, it really feels like you're in the heart of Wales here. Let's say never been here before, completely new area, but not a soul in sight. But anyway, I'm going to head back down to the forest